So ayan, nandito na kami sa Sanctuary of Truth. Tapos ayan, nagulat ako nagtagalog si Kuya.
Yan sa'yo. Hello po. Good morning. Hindi po tayo lang talaga.
Nag-aral ka lang po ng ano?
Hindi po, Pinoy talaga.
Pinay si Kuya. Dito na kami sa Sanctuary of Truth.
Sawadee krap. May tawa may krap. You have ticket already?
No,
So, dito po tayo, no?
Ulitin natin.
Hindi, wala na.
Nainis ako eh.
Hindi, wala na. Na-prank ka na naman. Na-prank? Kuya, saan ka? Taga saan ka, Kuya?
Malabon po.
Uy, taga doon din ako. Char!
Ilang years ka na po dito?
Walang tao.
Ay, 8 years na pala siya dito. Yan, nandito naman sa Sanctuary of Truth. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga view dito. So ayun, pababa na kami papuntang sa mismong temple. Parang medyo mahaba yung lalakarin namin. Ang dami mga Arabic here. Dami nila dito. Di ako sure pero parang per language po yung Sa English, 10:40. 11 o'clock is 11:10 Chinese.
Pag sa Korean, 10:50.
Okay. Namimigay din sila dito ng mga helmet. Kailangan mag-helmet tayo. May pa-hard hat sila. Yan ikakabit sa akin ni Kuya Jesse. Ayun. Aray, parang nabunot yung buhok ko.
Carry it with you first. You will only use that inside. But once we go inside, please use it and make sure that you adjust it at the back. Tighten it so that it will not...
Tsaka na daw mag-take ng photos. Pero taking videos are allowed. Pero yung photos, tsaka na lang daw pagkatapos ng tour. Kasi groupings to. Iba't ibang lahi yung mga nandito. May Filipino. Wala pa ako na-meet na Filipino pala. Pero may na-meet ako ng Filipino kanina. May mga Korean, Arabic. Basta halo-halo. Sinusundan namin tourist guide. Maraming gumagawa dito ng mga statue.
We do not have toilet inside the museum. Our toilet is right there. And we also have it beside the horse carriage. At least you know where it is just in case. This is the curving department area where the magic happens. It's kind of bit dusty and also noisy, but it's very rare for people like you to be able to see the real traditional process like this. So once they remove the concrete nails, this is what they replace. The wooden wedge and the wooden pin to lock the woods together. Originally, this is what they use as a nail. Pieces of woods to join them together, and most of the times they only use the glue to hold it stronger. At the top is a carrying pole to carry the weight so that this will not be moved.
Ayan, nandito na kami sa Sanctuary of Truth. Grabe. Ayan o.
Pabalik tayo.
Ayan, kung nakikita nyo nasa likuran ko. Lahat yung gawa sa woods. Grabe. Itong nakikita nyong temple na to, gawa to sa woods. Ayan.
Uy, balik daw tayo doon.
Ayan, mali ako sa sinabi ko kanina. Sorry. Hindi pala siya temple.
As corrected by the tour guide, this is not a temple. It's an art. It's a contemporary art.
Ayan, papasok na kami sa loob. Tingin ko hindi tayo magchichinelas dyan, no? Pero hindi naman siguro magchichinelas. Huwag daw kami magmadali. I-enjoy daw namin yung tour. Ayun, elephant! May elephant doon, no? May nakita na ako elephant.
Let's wait for the others. All the decorations outside, these are all Thai traditional culture. Because the owner, he wants to show people to see that in the old days, the Thai people create this culture as a way of connecting with the people in the society to live peacefully together. The owner is actually communicating through the arts. So every wooden arts here have a story to tell. And that is what we are exploring with the tour right now. Alright? Like right here, in this base, you can see these are all related to rice farmers. Gathering with the growing of rice, burning rice ceremony, because in the past, most of the Thai people are rice farmers. They plant, they harvest, and then they pray for the rain. Let me show you another decoration here.
Kung ano yung sinabi ng tour guide, yun na lang din yung sasabihin ko. Kung ano yung nakinig nyo, yun na lang din yung pwedeng malaman nyo.
For educational purposes.
For educational purposes. Yan, at least 'di ba, kahit papaano may natututunan tayo dito.
Here in this base, these are all decorated with Ramayana epic. That reflects the truth of human life, that in every society, there's always good and bad. But eventually our aim is the good will always win over evil. But it all depends on all of us. As you can see, we're setting up lights right now because starting August, we already opened the museum until 8:30 in the evening. But it's another payment. Every Friday and Saturday. If you are astounded in its beauty here, you will be more amazed at the other side. It's even more beautiful there. Let me take you to the other side now. Here. All right, this way, Jalo, Jalo. This is actually one of the famous spots to take a photo for your Instagram. Okay, a lot of our visitors, whenever they come here and they stand up there, they always say that they feel like they're a royalty. Like one time princess, prince, king, or queen. This is our inspired royalty balcony called Singha Banchorn Balcony. It is used by the king to grant a public audience in special occasions. Now the only sacrifice you have to make is one of you must to come down here and take photo from up there. So just a little sacrifice. Have you been to Cambodia?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. What about the rest? Not yet. So don't worry because only here in Sanctuary of Truth you are able to see a glimpse of Cambodia. Let me show it to you this way, everyone.
Yan. Ang dami nating natututunan dito.
So as if you're already in Cambodia right now, isn't that so beautiful? But you have to go to Cambodia to see it for yourself. The four faces are symbols of four golden state of minds. Like they said, one face is loving kindness, the other face is compassionate, the other face is sympathetic joy, and the other face is equanimity. Below that four faces, you can see that is Indra riding Era 1. The three-headed elephants are displayed, and that represents the key characters of a good leadership. Like avoidance of thinking, saying, and doing negative things to others. It's a good reminder to every one of us because at this point of time, we need the right leaders in this world.
Yan yung tinutukoy niya kanina, kailangan ko mag-video.
Before we go inside, while we wait for the others to come here, alright, this way!
Ano masasabi mo sa ano? Sa loob?
Mainit.
Mainit. Tapos ano masasabi mo sa ano nila?
Manyo yung mga kasama natin.
Ikaw talaga.
Alright, everyone, please come up. Okay, this way, everyone. Come up, come up. So how do you feel now?
Cool.
It's cool, right? It's only 45 minutes or an hour together. The rest of the time is yours. Alright, can you keep up with me until the very end of the tour?
Yes.
Do not-
So ayan, tapos na yung tour namin. Nakapag-picture na rin kami ng mga konti. Ngayon, nakaka-amaze yung Sanctuary of Truth kasi bukod sa matututunan mo yung kung paano nila ginawa tong museum na to, bukod sa matututunan mo kung paano ginawa tong museum na to, marami ka rin matututunan about life. Kaya sobrang nakaka-amaze. Marami rin mga Filipino ang mga pumunta dito, mga iba't ibang lahi. Kaya talagang grabe, no? Isa ako sa pinakamaswerteng taong punta dito sa Sanctuary of Truth kasi bukod sa marami ako natutunan about sa mga cultures nila at kung ano yung mga meaning ng mga nakaukit dito. Nakita ko rin yung mga meaning kung kailan tayo pinanganak at kung ano yung meaning nun. Mga ganyan. Ayan, katulad nito. Ayan. Ito si Saturn. So ayan, nakalabas na kami sa Sanctuary of Truth. Ayan, grabe. Nakaka-amaze yung lugar na to. Kasi marami kang matututunan about life. Ayan, tapos na kami dito sa Sanctuary of Truth dito sa Pattaya, Thailand. Ayan, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog na to. Abangan nyo yung mga next vlog ko. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye!